Nyaya is the philosophy of India focused on logical thinking and reasoning. It was established by Gautama in the 2nd century BC. And Nyaya believes that liberation is brought through right knowledge, that logic and clear thinking are essential to reach higher consciousness. The word Nyaya means logic. So Nyaya talks about how to discover and investigate the truth, how to show that truth can be proven, how to obtain knowledge through observation, logic, reasoning, and critical thinking. Nyaya encourages debate. It encourages critical thinking about how the universe is made, for example. And it provides concrete parameters for defining reality. For example, Nyaya says it's real if you can perceive it through the senses. Nyaya provides tools to ensure knowledge is valid or invalid. And it also outlines sources of invalid knowledge, such as doubt, faulty cognition, or hypotheticals. Nyaya talks about the 4 sources of valid knowledge: perception, inference, comparison, and testimony. So what are the 4 sources? Perception is knowledge produced through sensory experience and physical contact. It includes perception through the 5 senses. And then it also includes perception through intuition, which is considered to be extraordinary or beyond the 5 senses. The second source of valid knowledge is inference, and this is conclusions drawn by previous experience. So if you see smoke, there's fire. The third source of valid knowledge is comparison, that comparing the similarities and differences between new objects and the one previously experienced can help you learn about the new one. And finally, testimony, which refers to testimony from an authority on a subject. Basically, this means relying on the word of experts, the rishis, authoritative texts, the Vedas, etc. Nyaya influenced Ayurveda because it aided Ayurveda in logical thinking. The 4 sources of valid knowledge are accepted by Ayurveda and used in the assessment process. How does it differ? Ayurveda doesn't really have a heavy focus on enlightenment. Its focus is the health of the body.